Hello my Goyard Gang, hello my luxury lovers, hello my fashion freaks. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mayank and I am a Goyard Geek, Goyard Gang, Goyard Guy. Welcome back to my channel. I am a fashion freak, a luxury lover, and all those good things. So if that's something you're interested in, you like to talk about fashion, clothes, shoes, unboxing, all those kind of things, handbags, jewelry, then stick around. Please consider subscribing and please smash that like button and keep on watching this video. I literally... Cut, Jane. Goyardine. Goyard done. Goyard. Okay, so that was Goyardine, Goyard done. So we got one more, guys. One more Goyardine, Goyard done. Ooh. Who's in here? Who's hiding in here? Who's hiding in here? What do we got?
Okay, so obviously not a toad.
Whoa. Something besides a toad? What's it gonna be? Goyardine, Goyard done. Goyardine, Goyard done. Shall we? God, it smells so good. Why do you smell so good? A little pouch. Oh. Okay. This is something I already have, but I got another one because, again, prices in Paris. So much better. Okay, so this is a Saint Leger, again, but in black. Oh, with the black on black is actually really nice. It looks very classic and chic, I think. So, remember, there are like 7 billion different ways to wear this bag, so I don't think this is one of the ways, but we could try it. Could we? I guess you could wear it like this. How would you wear it? I guess you could wear it as like a little backpack. Let's see. Oh, you could. Oh, you totes could. Wear it like... That's another way to wear this. Oh my god, there's so many ways. Do we like the zipper on the outside? No, we don't. We don't want the zipper on the outside. We want the zipper on the inside. So let's try it the other way. Can you try it? Oh yeah, you could. It's like really tight. This is another way to wear this. Look at that. This is how you'd wear it. It's another way to wear it. Wear it. It makes it really like a cute little travel backpack, right? So this is a Saint Leger. It's supposed to be a backpack, but also a briefcase. Wear it multiple ways. So that's one way to wear it. The normal way you're supposed to wear it, you're supposed to open it up like that. And wear it as a backpack like this. This way. Pretty cool, huh? Got the same black on black as you here, but we black on black. So you can wear it like that. I'm gonna actually adjust the straps real quick because they're little. I need more strappage, and this wasn't giving that much. So I'm going to the least biggest hole. I wonder how long this is been sitting in these holes because I've definitely already got some like hole exposure. So anyway, I'm probably gonna undo this in 5 seconds, so I don't know why I'm taking this much time with it, but I just wanted to see what it was with a little bit of a longer strap. So we got this backpack long strap wear, which is lovely. Then, like I said before, you can take the straps off completely. Take the straps off completely, yeah. Take the straps off completely, yeah. Strap number 1, strap number 2. Then you can just kind of carry it like a brief. Let's put the bag organizer in here to make it a little more full. Sorry, Saint Louis. It's Saint Leger's turn. But look at, see that beautiful black detailage. Oh yeah, I should talk about the back. Okay, so it's like this beautiful foldable briefcase, right? There's a little foldable version, which like this, you can probably just carry it like that, like a little clutch. Keep it closed. Carry it like that, little clutch. Most of your stuff you probably keep back in the zip pack pouch here. It's got one zipper, feel protected right now. Hardware there, pocket in here, more info. Little pocket back here that you can keep all your shit, and then, you know, it's a little clutch. You can carry it like that, or you can carry it like that. Can't really go over the shoulder, but those two work. It's got some buttons here that I got some plastic on top of them right now. It's got 2 buttons here that can button to this when it's small, and then button to this when it's big. Got these little feet protectors here. I don't know. It opens up into this kind of like triangular backpack. It's got this inside in here with one pocket in here for when it's big. And so when it's big, let's put you inside just to show what you look like when you're all big.
Come on, baby, get big for me.
Get big for me.
Sorry. You button it, 2 button closures there. And then this beautifully rolled handle here. It's almost like a little lunchbox. A lunchbox briefcase. So you can carry it like that, like a little briefcase. Right? I guess you could also carry it like that. Look at that bag. Again, and then it's got these for when you want to put the straps in. You strap them in here and here. Or you use these buttons for when it's small. And the straps attach onto this hardware up here. That's pretty much it. That's the whole bag. Kind of folds in a little bit here. Kind of cute little side angle, side view, side view, side. And I think the bag organizer really helps keep its shape. Otherwise, it kind of like becomes very flat. Which, depending on how you want to use it, it's up to you. Did you come off, girl? Why do you keep coming off? Putting it there now. Okay, so you can do it like that. I'm gonna take the bag organizer out now, just to show you. If you want, you can put the straps back on again, but this time, see, like a little less, like that way. There you go, like that. It's really beautiful. It's very shiny. You feel it. Nice work, team. What do you think, huh? What do you think, dude? And he likes it. Cool. Then you can take the straps, attach one on back here, attach this one on back over here, and you can attach them to each other, which is fun. So you can kind of hook each one, like put each one into the other one and hook it on the first hook. Have them longest crossbody basically. So fun to watch. Popcorn break, go for it. Then take these little things to hold them in place. And you pour it like a crossbody like that. With the organizer if you want, so it's a little fuller, right? Get a little crossbody brief, which is kind of cool. You know, a little big crossbody, but available like that. Or you can fold her up. And put her, him, I think this is a him, let's call him a him. Fold this in, fold this in. Like that. You got a little crossbody like that. Huh? Again, only really one pouch back here, but like, if you just want a little crossbody, you could totally fit your phone, your keys, and your wallet in here. Maybe 1 or 2 essentials. It's like a little purse. I actually think it's really good like this. And you got it like that. Super simple, super cash. Crossbody, right? I don't know. I think this is one of my favorite bags that they have. Or you could take this off and just wear it like that. This is a really cute little great invention, Goyard. Good job. Great job. A+. Alright, there's that one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family if you liked it. If you hated it, please share with your enemies and your exes. And I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So you're spending your time here with me. Thank you so much. Goodbye.